Seeds you should plant in March. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So this list of seeds that you can plant in March, and that would help you get some good results and get some good vegetables. So this list includes seeds that you can start indoors, and some if you are in colder climates, and seeds that you can plant directly outside if you're in a warmer area, warmer climate. Check your specific zone before planting. So to help speed up germination, check out my post on various ways to germinate seeds faster. You can soak seeds, you can do scarification, or you can do the paper towel method. I'll put the link in the description below. The number one seeds that you can plant in March or in spring is you can plant spinach. Spinach is a cool weather crop that can be planted in the middle of winter or will germinate and grow when temperature warms up a little. Planting spinach in late February or early March, it's a good idea to get some fresh organic vegetables. The second one is beets. Plant beets if the soil has been consistently 50 degrees or higher in March, and if the soil is not consistently 50 degrees or higher, wait and start planting the seeds later on when the temperature rise up. Another one that you can plant in March is carrots. Carrots are closer to cold weather crops than most other plants that are not. Carrots should be planted directly into the garden or container or raised beds. You can plant carrots about 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost date. Onion can be planted as early as February or March in cold climates. Onion can survive cold weather and snow. You can plant onion sets or beginning plants in March. The next one that you can plant in March is peppers. Peppers love the hot temperatures, but you can get a head start by planting them indoors in March and then transplant them outdoors after the last frost date. Summer squash is the next one that you can plant in March. You can start summer squash indoors in March and then transplant them outdoors later on. Tomato is another popular plant that can be planted as early as March. In warmer climates, you can plant them outside in March. In colder climates, like mine, where I'm in New England, you can start your seeds indoors and then transplant them outside when the last sign of frost is over. Melon, you can start your melon seeds inside in March and get a head start on your summer garden. Another great seed to plant in March is lettuce. Lettuce are cold weather plants or cold weather crops. Plant lettuce in March and they will germinate and grow in cold weather. They will survive cold weather and light snow. Another seed that you can plant in March is broccoli. Broccoli is another cold weather crop that can be planted in March and will get a good head start on your season. Cabbage is another cold weather crop that can be planted 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date. Plant your cabbage and be able to harvest them as soon as the middle of summer. Another crop that you can start indoors or you can start early in March is corn. You can plant corn directly into the garden in warm areas and make sure that the soil is currently above 60 degrees, or you can start the seeds indoors a couple of weeks before the start of the season in colder areas. Cucumber plants can be planted in the garden after the last frost date, or start seeds indoors to get a jump start on your season. Another plant that you can plant in March is peas. Peas plants prefer mild temperature. Plant peas after the last frost date, or you can start the seeds indoors. Peas prefer temperatures that are not too hot or too cold, so March is the perfect time to start planting peas. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.